Hello everyone, this is Hanja of Hanja Bible. Yeah, we are going to Korean Hanja and Chinese traditional and simplified Hanzi, 4,000 characters together. And the second character today we are going to see 1E, 1E. Yeah, this is the second character of Cheonjiin, which means sky, earth, and man. The second character, yeah, which means earth. Okay. Yeah, on the index, the second character is 1E. Yeah, we are looking through these characters one by one. In Korean language, Han-il. Yeah, in English, 1E, E, the tone number is 1. Yeah, sol tone. This 1 is one stroke radical. There are 214 radicals in Chinese characters, also in Korean Hanja. Same. This 1E came from the first character, dot, zu. Yeah, the same shape in Korean Hanja and Chinese traditional and simplified as well. And the symbolic and signatory interpretation of 1E, it's the meaning or shape that dots of sky. Yeah. Do you remember the hidden meaning of dot? Yeah, it was sky. Yeah, dots of sky horizontally connected and made the meaning or shape of one flat earth. This is the symbolic analysis of this character. We have learned the Chinese characters through shape. Yeah. So in this case, it is the shape of one wooden stick laid flat on the ground. Yeah, on the ground. So that's good. Anyway, which way you go, you can remember the meaning of this character. Yeah, I'd like to interpret it as the meaning or shape that dots of sky. Yeah, please remember the hidden meaning. Horizontally connected and made the meaning or shape of one flat earth. Okay, and the dictionary meaning: one, a bar, a stick, first, single, alone, same, entire, whole, all, throughout. Yeah, these meanings, dictionary meanings, are remained in Korean Hanja dictionary and Chinese characters dictionary. But as well as the dictionary meanings, hidden meanings are much more important, as I told you. So hidden meanings of this character, 1E, earth. Yeah, so Cheonjiin circulates among them. So 1E also means, as a hidden meaning, sky, heaven, God, yeah, Jesus Christ, or receive, because earth receives everything in tolerance. So as one of the hidden meanings, please remember receive. Yeah, and also light, life, the whole world, a thing. So these hidden meanings, please try to remember. Yeah, because so many complicated characters will be explained using the dictionary meanings and the hidden meanings as well. So hidden meanings are very important. And the next issue for Chinese characters learners, why this 1E should have the tone number 1 value. It's because its meaning was shaped at dots of sky horizontally connected and made the meaning or shape of one flat earth. So tone number 1, horizontal, flat. Okay. For these tone number principles, I will upload another English lecture version very soon. Okay, you can refer to that later. And you also can refer to the Bible verses to feel the hidden meanings of 1E. 1E. Yeah, Korean Hanja characters here, English King James Version in the beginning. Yeah, God, yeah, hidden meaning here. Created the heaven, yeah, heaven and earth here. Okay. So, what do you think about this character, the hidden meanings? Thank you for listening, and see you next time.